Say friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all. This is Bank Nifty December contract future, and last trading that was 43,561 was closing price on yesterday. A very great information getting from market profile for upcoming days. See, this low is very important for Bank Nifty. That means 43,155. If any closing happening below this 43,155, market will go to 42 this range. This is the virgin POC. That means 42,900. 42,900 is very important level. Market will come here. If any acceptance from here, there will be another fall towards this two back-to-back POC, that too almost 42,645 and 42,526. These are the two areas are very critical. So this level you just mark it, this level 43,155. Okay, what could be the thought process on today's scenario? I'm not saying today's scenario 43,155, but any day, if upcoming day, any day if breaking this level, market will fall further more than 1,000 points. Okay, what could be today's thought process is, if market opening again inside the value area, watch this level, that means 43,365, this value area low. Any support getting from here and accepting above this day high, go for a CE. First target could be this. This could be 43,670. 43,670 could be the first target. 43,670 could be the 670 could be the first target. So any acceptance here, that means that this is called multi-day high. If market clearing a period itself, this first day high, multi-day high, go for a CE towards 43,820 is a first target. Second target could be this is smart money area, this region, 43,976, this POC. 43,976 is the POC. So watch these levels. If market opening inside the value area also, watch whether market getting any acceptance at 43,365. If not, rejection from this. Acceptance means market will fall another, come to above this day low, and this area 43,155. So watch any rejection from 43,365. 43,365 is the main for today's trading area. Any acceptance here, go for a PE towards 43,265 and 43,155. This is two territory PE for today's also. So these are the two areas you have to watch. Especially watch yesterday's high and yesterday's low, PDL and PDS. That is very important. So if gap up, gap down, market if opening gap up or gap down, then we'll check what market provide information. So anyhow, the gap up or gap down, I will wait for the IB formation. After IB, let's watch what market providing information. Based on that, we can plan our trade today. So plan your trade setup on Bank Nifty. If you are like our channel, please click the like button, press bell icon, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.